This is Jeff from Review Set Go, and today we're going to take a look at splash pads for toddlers. So we're going to go over the ones that have the highest reviews, the most popular best sellers, the ones that are for taller kids, 68 inches, 70 inches and taller. And then we're going to go over some of my personal favorites, the ones that I recommend, the one that I would personally buy. So let's go ahead and dive in here and take a look at all of these splash pads that are available as we enter into summer and we take a look at some of these products. So here's the one that appears to be one of the best sellers. It's got 1,756 reviews, but it's only got a 4-star review, which is actually pretty low compared to some of these other ones that we're going to be taking a look at. The one thing I do like about this is that it's 60 inches, so it's for smaller kids, but there's a variety of different designs. So you've got around the world color balloons from A to Z. So you get a little bit of variety with this one, and that's what I think is pretty good. You can see it is in stock until May 27, 2020, so jump on it while you still can. Here's one that I really like. This is a #1 bestseller right here. This is a 67-inch splash pad for kids' outdoor fun, right? And you can see it's got a really cool, like, colorful design to it the kids like. You can see that right here. So it's 67 inches, sprinkler. And then you have this one right here, which is another one of the top sellers. 1,100 reviews, and it's actually a 4.5. So this one really caught my attention. You could get it for $12.50. So I mean, if you're really looking for a cheap solution, this one might just be where you start if you want to get started. But you know, because it's cheap, you might want to go with the $25 one with higher reviews. And if that's the case, you're going to look at something like this: 310 reviews, 4.5 rating, $28.99. But you could see it's got a 68-inch wading pool, good for learning. Toddlers will love this little play pad, splash pad right here. And then here's one of my personal favorites, actually. It's got 70-inch spray, outside sprinkler system mat. It's a little bit on the higher end side, $36.99, but you could see it's really fun. It's got the colors, it's got the size. It can work out for the 2 to 12-year-olds, so it's good for 2 to 12. It's a pretty good age range right there, right? Maybe not for infants, but you get the idea here. And then you've got another really fun one. This one's 68 inches, adjustable spray height. So if you want to go higher or lower, that's kind of good, right? It's got a 4.5 rating, $27.95. I think you're going to really love this one. This one's going to hit the nail on the head. Look at this thing. This is the Princessa Splash Pad for girls, as tall as 78. So it's outdoor mermaid children's splash pad. Take a look at just how cool this thing looks. I think this one is a really good solution if you have young girls, but it's going to be $52. So it's a little bit on the high end, but you're getting what you pay for with this one. You can see it's got 4.5 reviews out of 153 ratings. And so this is really an interesting one, especially if you have little girls. So thanks guys for watching this guide on splash pads. We'll see you guys on the next one. Subscribe to Review Set Go if you guys enjoy videos like this.